Hey guys, Dennis here, and I thought I'd share this quick tip with you. If you went to the store looking for hand sanitizer and they're all out and you can't find it anywhere, just buy rubbing alcohol. Get a little spray bottle like this, fill it up, spill it all over the floor. That's it. Now I like to use ethyl rubbing alcohol because it smells a little nicer. Doesn't remind me of getting a shot at the doctor's. You'll want to get the 70% because if it's a little bit stronger than that, it might be harsh on your hands. You definitely don't want it below 60%, and you'll see that online, but that's really the minimum number for killing germs, and you really don't want the minimum, right? Now, the alcohol might dry out your hands a little bit, so you can add something to moisturize them, but you can't just add anything to the alcohol. What works well is vegetable glycerin or any kind of glycerin you can find, really. You just add a little bit to the bottle. Not very much, just a little bit. Because again, you don't want to really reduce the percentage of the alcohol too low so where it's not killing the germs anymore. And this will leave a little glycerin on your hands to moisturize them, because the alcohol will kind of dry them out a little bit. That's it. That's really it. I'll tell you, I did a lot of research on this, and I will advise against trying to make the stuff you can buy in the store. The gel, it would be nice to be able to make your own gel, and I'm sure you can, but they use some other special chemicals that are a little bit harder to find. You could order them online and stuff, but it gets a little bit trickier to make a real gel style that still has enough alcohol in it to kill germs. So stick with a spray bottle, and you know, as long as it's a good spray bottle, it's just, yeah, it's fine, really. I mean, you could even like go down to the liquor store and get some Everclear if it's sold in your area. Not all areas sell alcohol that's that strong. Don't get vodka, it's not strong enough. And this has a little bit of acetone in it and something called methyl isobutyl ketone and denatonium benzoate. That stuff is the super bitter stuff they add so the kids don't like accidentally eat stuff. It's like super, super bitter. So that's one side effect, is like your hands are gonna very bitter. Surprisingly bitter. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Hit that thumbs up if you did. Give me a comment if you've made your own stuff, or if you have any comments about hand sanitizer. I don't know what those would be, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.